Ala, ano yan? Are you the one doing it? Regade? Regade? Hala. Marunong kang anong tawag dito? Needle? Ano? Marunong kang mag-knead? Ikaw din mulawin? Isi? Is that your wife?
No, it's not my wife.
Is that your wife?
You have a plenty wife, huh?
Ay, in Africa you always say sister.
No.
You always say sister.
Like I used to be, I have plenty wife.
You always say sister.
Because my sister.
Nako, we are not born yesterday, Yapi. No, for Africans, it's dog style.
No, Yapi, not also monkey style, huh?
Monkey style.
You have the
Filipina people, they don't really like money. As long as you love them wholeheartedly, faithfully, they will give you the best love ever. Hello mga kababayan and welcome sa ating vlog. So welcome nga lahat kayo rito sa Africa. So ngayong araw, meron kaming pupuntahan. Bibili kami ng panibagong aircon para sa installation ng isa naming room. Ay, Day! Sava! What did you buy? Your lunch? Pen? Don't worry. Tomorrow you eat buku-buku. Ha? Moi, birthday, adume. Yes. So guys, meron kaming sana kasi ako. Pasensya naman sa patalastas. Bibili kasi kami dito ng aircon. So dito natin ma-check kung gano'n nga ba kamahal ang aircon. So ang bibilhin namin ay 1.5 split type na aircon o di kaya 1 HP. Ano ba yun? 1 HP na split type na aircon. So alamin natin kung magkano ang magiging presyo niyan. By the way, ito pala yung motorization nandito sa labas. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo guys na yung motor nila, ewan ko, binabalot nila ng scotch tape. May mga scotch tape siya. Ito may mga plastic siya. Ito meron. Siguro dahil ayaw nila itong masira. No? Oo. So ito para siyang Rusi. Para siyang Rusi. Kasi nga dito guys, marami ring mga gumagamit talaga dito ng mga motor. Oo, kung papansinin nyo, no, yung mga vlog natin, yung mga ibang motor, kahit wala ng mga side mirror, mga ganon, kahit wala silang mga helmet, ay naman, nakakamalaya silang gumalagala sa city. Diba? Kasi nga, totally walang gaanong mga nagche-check. O walang gaanong mga LTO dito, kaya lagi silang nagro-roam around. Okay? So, by the way mga kababayan, no, bukas nga pala ay ang aking birthday celebration na. So, maraming salamat sa mga nagbibigay ng kanilang Hi, good morning. Ay, Mulawin, halika dito. Mulawin. Halika dito. Si Mulagat din. Andito si Mulawin. Hi. Ito si Mulagat. Wow, ang ganda na nyo. Saan kayo nagpunta? Santa Claus. Merry Christmas? Christmas na ba? Mulawin, combien ans? Combien age? This ons. Ha? 12. Ikaw? 3. Ala, ano yan? Are you the one doing it? Regade? Regade? Hala. Marunong kang anong tawag dito? Needle? Marunong kang mag-knead? Ikaw din mulawin? Isi? Ikaw gumawa? Isi combien? 5,000? 5,000? Hala, ang mahal naman. Hala, marunong ka nito? No, Fini? Isi, isi pang cup? Isi? So, gawan mo ako ng isa na pang cup. Kompra? Moi color green. Color isi, Kili green. Isi, color green, isi. Ganyan yung gusto kong cup. Color green. Okay? Ang galing mo mag-needle? Ano ba yan? Ano ang tawag dito? Comment tu t'appelles proceso?
Hindi tapos ko. Trucotage.
Needle? Tukutage? So this one you You learn this one in Ecole? Ecole? Isi o rapide o? Simulagat a rapide. Hala. Isi combien? Combien isi in marché? Sengsa? 50 pesos daw ito. Wow. Très bien ah. Isi for baby. Isi for baby? Ano to? Oo nga, pang bata. Bien. At least kahit papano, may alam na kayo sa livelihood. Diba? Bien. Don't worry, you mulawin, moi achète ici. Moi achète ici. Moi achète ici for you. Okay? I will buy for you like this so that you will do your project. Okay? Yes. You like it. So you went from school? You came from école? No. You la partie école?
On partit au septembre.
May pasok kayo September?
Yes.
May pasok na pala kayo na. I see. You secondary? Secondary? Secondary. No university. No boyfriend. No boyfriend. You have boyfriend?
Moi, ça pas.
You have boyfriend? No boyfriend. No boyfriend. No portab.
Yes.
You have portab?
Yes.
You have portab. Don't do portab. S'il vous plaît. No portab. Okay, no boyfriend. Ha, mag-aral kayo mabuti, okay? So, merci. Moi achète à bientôt. Kompra? Para may magawa kayo. Sige na, bye-bye na. Ang cute nyo. Sige na. Sige, ingat kayo. So grabe guys, no, ang bata-bata nila, tapos meron na silang alam na gagawin. So very very masaya kasi nga they have already may kaalaman na sila sa pagbi-business. So ano sila guys, nasa threading ba yung tawag doon? Sorry sa term ko, hindi ko kasi alam. So i-correct nyo na ako guys sa comment section kasi nga minsan I'm not perfect, diba? I'm not so intelligent din. So I have minimal intelligence when it comes to English, when it comes to proper nouns and pronouns. Okay, so patulong na lang guys kung ano yung proseso ng ganun. Sa Ilocano kasi pagdadait. Oo, agdadait ba? Agdait. Diba? Oo. Suwing? Oo. May mga kasi ako diyan, may mga followers kasi ako diyan na commentators na kino-correct ako guys. So sa mga correctionist ko na mga subscribers, please do correct me. Okay? Asan ba yung mga kasama ko? Parang hindi pa sila ready. Anyway guys, marami pala tayong mga kababayan na nagbibigay ng kanilang tulong. So definitely this coming Saturday, hindi ko kasi pwedeng i-celebrate yung birthday ko sa mga bata kasi nga may work related kasi yung office na yun guys, I mean yung oras. So gagawin ko siya on Saturday, makakasama ko silang lahat. So definitely magluluto kami, abangan nyo yung mga iluluto namin kasi mag-share ako ng Filipino food. So as per request yan ng nagbigay na sponsor. Okay, so mapapanood nyo yan guys very soon. So antayin ko muna yung mga kasama ko. Bonjour.
Bonjour mon frère.
So guys, nakasakay na kami. Gusto ko kausapin siya.
Marché gros. Marché de gros. Marché de gros.
So we're going to the big market.
Bon, it's at the back of the big market.
At the back of the... I want to ask you something. Yeah, since we're going to buy aircon today. Yes. Of course, I've been here for a little while. No, and I really observed some of your goods, some of your, products are a bit costly. How much is your tax here?
The tax for?
Yeah, your tax rate. Like example, in the Philippines, our tax is 12%. You know tax, no?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of tax?
The tax here.
What is the meaning of tax?
The meaning.
The VAT tax? What's
No,
the
I
meaning
don't
of VAT?
Value added.
VAT?
VAT is wrong. I don't
Vatican? Vatican Association?
guess. No.
What is VAT?
Sa kanila dito TVA. Tawag.
TVA.
VAT.
Baliktad.
TVA.
TVA. What is the
Yeah.
meaning of TVA?
TVA is tax à valeur ajoutée.
Okay. Value added tax.
Yeah.
Yes.
But you know all that.
so combien tax is
Yeah,
it?
it's 18%.
18%.
18%.
So meaning to say, if you are going to buy cell phone, the price is 1,000
Yeah,
sefa.
what the same.
So you pay 1,180 sefa.
Yeah.
Wow.
18%.
Why? Do you know why? Are you economist?
But I'm doing this one in the school.
Yeah, but why?
Yeah.
Why do you think?
Well,
Is
this
it
one
because
for
of?
It's for the government. The,
Yes.
The government collect the tax to pay the public man. Like this, you have something to do in the country.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like for the projects
Because
of the government.
You know what? The government doesn't have money.
Mhm.
If the government collect the tax or the thing, the person sell. Yeah, that's why you used to do something. If you want to do the road,
Yes.
the government give the
Yes.
money for that one. If
You are
do
correct.
something, a market, a public market, all of things.
You are right.
It's for the government.
You are right. So meaning, I think another reason is the importation. Do you import products here?
Yeah,
Like
The government.
electronics?
yeah, electronic. Yeah.
I think you have to answer first that one. So yun nga mga kababayan, so
Ano?
dito wala namang production
Ano yan?
ng mga electronics, for sure galing China naman yun or in different
Yaw.
countries. So basically, mataas yung presyo.
Ito
Ito si Mr. Erwin. Bro,
Okay.
ano na bang pinakamataas na nabili mo dito? Tanong ko lang.
Yung sorti mga commerce. Don't start to inform.
Products.
Oo, yung bike mo, magkano yun?
Ano? 300.
Okay.
300,000 sa pesos,
30.
30,000 pesos. Kasi hindi sila naniniwala na 30,000 pesos yung bike mo eh.
30 yun doon sa binili ko sa tawag nito
Sa Decathlon.
Decathlon.
Diba? Oh. Ang mahal ng bike mo na yun, grabe.
Hindi man yun fake yun.
Oh, hindi man yun nga fake, kaya nga ang mahal-mahal. Diba? Hala, grabe yung presyo. Sana nagmotor ka na. Oo.
Kasi matagal na yun.
Eh so pag uwi ka, kukunin mo yan pa Pilipinas.
Depende.
Sa bagay. I'm asking Mr. Erwin.
Ano ko yun
Yes.
kay Yapi.
Regalo mo kay Yapi.
Donation ko.
Pwede rin, pwede rin. I'm asking Mr. Erwin about his bike. Like his bike, the price is 300,000 sefa for the bike. Which is, for you, is it expensive or not?
Yeah, 300 is very expensive.
Expensive, no?
Yes.
Yeah, because last time I bought this bike in Senegal. I gave it to one staff and the price is 60,000 sefa.
Back.
Bike.
Back.
Yes. But the quality, of course, this one, the one from Mr. Erwin is more qualitated. So my own is not so qualitated. You know what is qualitated?
Yeah, the price you buy.
Is there a word qualitated?
But Yapi already spoiled my bike.
Huh?
Mr. Win.
Oh my
How
god.
many years already Yapi is handling it?
So meaning overuse? You are the one using
Yapi
it?
is the one who overused it.
Oh my goodness,
What
Mr.
is it? Well, let me
Yapi.
see. Mr. Win.
I
No,
think
me, eh?
yeah, but that's the bike usually gives help to the branch, no? Yes. So a bike is good, no fuel, no gasoline, right? Just energy.
No, the bus is very very good because if you every morning morning you run,
Yes.
you do exercise for that one.
Yes.
It's good for the motor.
Yes.
So because this one you don't do the exercise, you always
Yes.
stand like this. Or everyone at night also do the exercise.
So you exercise with the bike. So you have abs already.
I have one app.
No, this one is not the same. It's not the same for Enzo. Enzo is for Enzo.
You have what? My friend, it's like we are the same pregnant. The three of us are pregnant.
I think it's good for the baby.
Yes.
We have two babies inside.
Two baby inside.
Yeah.
Allah. Two baby.
We have two babies inside.
Nakakaloka din si
25 months na.
35 months. Ang lalaki kasi ng tiyan namin.
You don't do the baby.
Oo. Hindi naman sobrang laki yung mga tiyan namin. Nakikita lang kasi nga gumagamit kami ng mga fitted na mga damit. Kaya usually nagdadamit ako ng medyo loose para hindi gaanong halata yung tiyan namin. Okay, so parang malapit na kami dito sa kanilang market. It will be my first time na pumunta rin sa kanilang big market. Oo.
Last time, saan kayo ni Josie?
Nagpunta kami ni Josie doon lang.
Hindi dito sa ano?
Hindi sa big market. Oo. So yung pununtahan kasi namin na Josie na market na bumili ng damit niya is yung ano lang na market, simple market. So ang pupuntahan namin is that your wife?
No, it's not my
Is that your wife?
You have a plenty wife, ha?
Ay, in Africa you always say sister.
No,
You always say sister.
Why can't you say that I have plenty wife?
You always say sister.
Because my sister.
Nako, we are not born yesterday, Yapi.
Yapi has 2 children with his
Oo.
mother.
Diba?
Yeah, I had to tell her that this but it's not new.
Okay.
It's going for
Yes.
the situation.
Yes.
That's why the other guy, they don't have lady because you take 2.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Hindi, dito kasi,
Maybe this
Alam na namin.
Manila, oh,
This time I will check
he says
very
okay.
I check very well before because I want to do my marriage.
Wait, you have babies, 2 babies,
Yeah.
but you are not yet married? I mean, you've not done yet with the marriage?
Yeah, I prepared that one.
Wait, 2 babies? Sorry for asking you this very personal, but you can tell me. We
Yapi
will not.
advance already.
We will not. I will not question you. But is it okay to share?
No.
It's not okay to share?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
okay.
so sorry. It's okay, no?
It's okay, no.
It's okay?
No, don't.
Oh yes, I will not share. Sorry. Oo, medyo personal, but definitely we're happy for you. Yeah, on what's happening on your life. Yes. So more babies, more wives,
No.
more wives. No, because I hear say.
No.
Okay, that you have.
No, it's not good. It's not good if you have more wife. It's not
Yeah.
good. It's good for one wife.
One
But,
wife.
Yeah, one wife is good. But you know the problem is the wife you have is not compatible. But if something, the wife that I don't like something, or maybe before you cannot observe that one.
Yes.
You see, but if you join on after you will know the attitude. But
Yes. So meaning to say, the one you have met is not compatible. You're not compatible. Actually, sometimes it really happens because you'll never know at first, when you court the woman, she's very good, blah blah blah.
Yeah,
But then after a while, when you get married, you'll see the real attitude of the lady. So it's the lady that broke with you?
yeah, maybe it's the least.
The lady left Yapi because she doesn't know how to drive.
Hindi, dalawang baby na nga bro eh. Oo.
It's not true.
No, Yapi,
How do you drive,
No,
Yapi?
it's not true.
You demonstrate us how
That is
do
not
you
true.
drive.
Because, the problem is not to drive. Right? drive is
You do
all the man
can drive.
drive very
Yes.
well.
So you
Yes.
drive
You see?
helicopter, Yap.
No,
Huh?
come again.
You do helicopter.
Ang daming alam ni Erwin na mga posisyon sa buhay. Helicopter. No, for Africans, it's dog style.
No, Yapi, not also monkey style. Ha?
Monkey style.
You sure you have the monkey style?
It's not good. It's not good.
Grabe din tong si Erwin mga ano eh. Anyway, we're happy for you. You don't like Filipino? You like Filipino?
Yeah, I like
Filipino.
Okay. Okay guys, kung merong nakakagustuhan kay Yapi, shout out kay
I
Yapi.
like Filipino very well.
Yeah, actually Yapi, he has a very interesting story in the office. Yes, he started from a very small beginning. Yeah, and then later on he went up to the ladder, and right now he is very successful.
Devant la station là.
Oo.
Juste à côté, tu vois. c'est
Mabait
comme
yan
si
guys
t'es
si
là-bas.
Yapi. You don't drink beer, no?
I don't buy small.
Small. You don't use cigarette.
No, yes,
No
not
cigarette.
good for my body.
Oh, diba? So, you have 5 bank accounts.
Okay, my work. No, this question is for my boss.
3 bank accounts.
This question is for my boss. My boss go.
For sure, you have plenty bank account,
No,
diba?
I pray God to have plenty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because as a Filipina, they want also Filipina people. They don't really like money. As long as you love them full-heartedly, faithfully,
Oui, c'est ça.
they will give you the best love ever. So andito na kami guys. Mamaya i-video ko kasi parang sa bangko pala muna kami.
1,000.
Yan. So ang presyo ng pamasahe namin ay 100 pesos. So ituloy natin mamaya. Grabe guys, natapos na rin kami sa bank. Uy, your banking system here is very different. Your banking system is very different compared to the Philippines. It takes time. Mano-mano ba sila? Mano-mano sila nagbilang? Machine naman, no? Pero grabe, no? Kakaiba, no? Oo. So, andito pala kami guys sa daan na. Sa loob, parang nagtagal kami na mga almost 2 hours. Medyo mabagal. Konti lang naman yung mga tao doon. Medyo mabagal sila. O, hindi ko rin alam. So, andito tayo sa daan guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Ito yung daan ng Africa. Ayan, o. So ito daw, papunta daw yan ng Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso sa bansang Mali, papunta daw yan. So marami rin talagang gumagamit ng motorsiklo dito guys. Pati mga kababaihan. Pero buti lang naman, maluwag yung kanilang maluwag yung kanilang daanan. Yan naman yung maganda. So naantay namin yung aming Yango taxi. Ito na. Ang cute talaga ng Yango niya na dito. Maganda tong sasakyan na ganito. Espresso.
Hein? Au commerce là, où il y a Smart là.
So pupunta na kami guys sa Smart
Tu restes ma Smart.
para bumili
Au
ng
commerce là, à côté de Coupec là.
aircon. So ang brand pala nila dito guys ay
Avant
Smart.
d'arriver au feu de Donald là.
May mga brand din sila dito ng mga Samsung, Hisense. Pero dahil nga smart tayo, magi-smart kami. Ay, nagpatugtog na si Kuya. Ayan. So malalaman natin kung magkano yung presyo. Like how much do you think is the aircon that we are going to buy?
Aircon.
Yes, the
It
price.
depends. It depends.
It depends.
The 1 horsepower, Yapa.
1 horsepower daw. Horsepower. Horsepower. Why horsepower? Bakit horsepower, horsepower? Horsepower talaga yon?
One
H-O-R-E-S. Horse talaga siya.
Horse talaga?
I-check ko.
Yun pala yung HP, 1 HP, ganun. Horsepower.
Ano mo?
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko rin alam. Basta HP, 1.5 HP, ganun. horsepower pala yun. Hindi siya horse, no?
Hindi siya
Horse. Ah, I see.
Iwan ko din, ba't kabayo yung ano niya?
So ito guys yung palibot ng market nila. So dyan daw yung talagang public market nila. Ayan o.
Horsepower 2 watts. Horsepower.
So napansin ko rin no, dito sa Buake, marami din pala talagang mga Muslim community. You have plenty Muslim community here.
Yes.
Diba? Why you did not become Muslim so that you have 4 wives?
Yapi is Muslim ha,
Ah!
but not by
But not by paper, not by religion, by personal ano.
by personal
Ah, okay.
by personality.
Mr. Erwin is your number 1 fan.
Yeah.
I know Yapi since
Yes.
2016 Yapi right?
Oo, magkakulig yan sila matagal na. Parang ilang taong ka na dito, bro? 12 years? 12 years na yan siya dito sa Ivory Coast. Si Erwin. Ay, hindi, ano ka ba? Looking young ka naman.
Hindi, dito na tumanda.
Parang magka-age nga lang tayo eh. Ako 36 na.
Ano ko ng 3 years ago.
Ah, okay. So 39 ka na. I see. Oo, mukha ka namang bata. So ito naman yung church nila guys. Ayan o, ang laking church.
Then you are
Catholic
10 years
church.
Cote d'Ivoire now. 11
So,
12 years na daw
in
siya.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Yes, from 2015, I think.
Yeah,
2015. Oh, imagine. You started also Edmark 2015?
No, 16.
Ah, 16.
May 16.
Ah. So yan guys, itong mga kasama namin talagang matagal na rin talaga sa company namin. Kaya sa mga nagtatanong dyan about our company, mag-comment lang kayo dyan. Let me know lang. Mag-message kayo sa akin via Facebook para mabigay ko sa inyo yung mga dapat ninyong gawin para malaman ninyo yung aming company. Marami kaming mga branches dyan sa Philippines, as in super duper dami sa Luzon, Visayas, tsaka Mindanao. Grabe yung mga damit, kahahaba no? CO? Pero gusto ko talagang bumili dito ng ukay-ukay. May pinagbibilhan ka ba ng ukay-ukay, bro?
Wala akong...
Tayo ba tunay na?
May mga ukay sa daan.
Merci beaucoup.
Dito tayo
No, you want to
Ah, I see. So malapit lang pala yung big market sa mismong city. So excitement ako guys kung magkano yung price ng aircon. Siguro nasa 150,000 or 15,000 pesos. Split type na yun ewan ko, hindi ko sure. How much is your value for the aircon? How much?
But it depends for the.
Yeah, just give a guess.
Is it
130 BS.
130 and
130,000? Ah, 13,000?
C'est bon. Yeah, friend. C'est bon.
Eh, ikaw bro, magkano sa'yo?
130.
130,000.
By 130
Oh, wow.
and 15.
Wow. So
The
ako,
smallest.
ako 150,000.
Bon, oui, ça arrive,
Ah, sorry. Si Yapi pa pala. So saan? Dito tayo. Dito. There are some foreigners also here, no? Some foreigners. Some foreigners. Foreigner. So dito guys, ito is smart. So ito, ewan ko kung parang ano na to, parang French.
Power. You have one.
Ito 1 HP.
Bonsoir. Ça va bien chez vous?
Mukhang okay naman siya, no?
Je vois. Ça va bien.
120, on laisse à 120.
Ça va bien. Pas de bien, hein?
Ay, tingnan niyo to, yung nagbebenta. Ganyan siya magbenta. Ang sexy naman niya magbenta.
The bracket, yeah.
Ito mga malalaki na to guys. Ang smart. So guys, ito bago siyang brand pero smart kasi yung pangalan nung nasa room ko, malakas siya. So para rin siyang mga Hisense, mga ganun na mga brand. So ito yung daan pa na makikita nyo. Ayan o. Oh. Ay, ano yan, magtitinda yata ng kape. Okay din naman dito guys, hindi gaanong mainit. Organize. So kung meron silang delivery, ito yung ginagamit nila pag may delivery sila. So ito yung bibilhin namin. Mabentang aircon ngayon sa Europe kasi nga sobrang init daw doon. Imagine. Shout out pala guys sa mga taong may aircon. Yung mga taong walang aircon, tiis lang muna tayo. Magkakaroon din tayo ng aircon very soon. Tingnan natin kung anong mapipili nila. Eto? Ah, ito. Okay na to kasi maliit lang naman yung room eh. Maliit lang yung room. So gusto kong malaman kung magkano ang presyo.
125 lang.
Magkano?
Kasamang bracket, 125.
125,000? Ang sa palagay mo mura na 'yan?
Oh, kasi ang tawag nito, actually 130 yung isang ano lang.
Oo.
Yung isang unit, 130.
Alam mo sa Pinas itong mga split type ang mamahal
Depende kasi sa brand.
sa brand pero okay ang Smart, 'di ba?
No, okay naman ang smart.
Grabe. Mura na yan guys ha, 12,500 pesos split type, 1 horsepower with bracket. Ano ba yung bracket?
Lagayan ng motor.
Ah, lagayan. So ito meron na din siyang
Yan,
Ah, okay.
yung motor niya.
Oo.
Teller.
Ito guys. Oh, mura na yan.
Bukod kay Smart,
Tignan natin sa loob. Check natin dito sa loob.
Bumili last time ng stand fan na AC, yung sa marketing.
Ah,
Sa mga room natin, dito din tayo bumili.
bumili. Ah, okay. So dito pala lahat, bumili kami ng mga ano. Grabe din yung mga electric fan nila dito, no? Kakaiba. Ito, oh. Remote control na electric fan na may LED. Smart na talaga. Ito meron silang mini washing machine. Oh. Cute. Ay, gusto ko to. Ay, ang ganda. Boombox. Ang ganda bro, oh. May mic na yan? Wala pang mic yan? Ganyan na guys yung opisina nila. Very simple lang. Meron daw to microphone. Ganda. Okay na rin yan. Mura na rin guys yung mga ganyan. Mura na. So guys, pauwi na kami.
When we arrive, I'm told how do you go
Nakuha
there,
na namin
the
lahat.
place, eh?
May free bracket din siya guys.
I'm going to cool
Ana, so sorry mo nami ha. You are holding the So
So you see
sorry.
me, so you want to put a video again?
So sorry, so sorry. No, I'm just really showing them how good you are. Yes, not to abuse you, okay, but to show them that you are very understanding, even deep inside. Cherries lang. So you will enjoy the room, huh? Who will stay in the room?
A room?
Yes.
I don't know.
Huh? Ito kasi ilalagay sa isang room kasi nga meron kaming bisitang Pinoy. There will be a visitor, a Filipino visitor who is going to do the audit, yes, into our branch. So basically, he will be audited. You will be audited. Yes, because he is the one in charge of the stocks. Mr. Erwin will be audited. Yes, me, I will not be audited first because I'm new here. So it will be Abraham that will be audited in the marketing. So yun guys, of course check and balance kami dito guys. So every year my audit. So basically they have to prepare everything. We have to prepare everything.
Okay.
So dito wala mong stock, bayad mo. Right?
Yes.
If you lost. If you lost
You pay.
stocks, you pay, no? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
you will pay. So yan yung namin dito, yan yung motto, yan yung quote namin.
If you lost the stuff.
Nawala mo, bayaran mo. Nasira mo, bayaran mo. Oo, ganon. So, it's normal guys.
Yes,
Pagdating naman sa mga kumpanyang ganyan.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like your phone, right? If you destroy your phone or if your phone is damaged, you have to pay for it. Lagi ang sinasabi ni Luistro, di ba? Mga kababayan, gusto nating makita ang accountability ni VP Sara. Di ba? I-check nyo kung meron akong lulu sa gilid. Mga kababayan. Ganun siya magsalita, di ba? Puro mga kababayan. Hindi ko naman siya kilala pero lagi niyang sinasabi kababayan. Anyway, hindi ko kasi alam kung anong team kayo, kung team defense o team prosecutor. Tanungin natin yung kasama kung anong team niya. Anong team mo, bro? Anong team mo?
Defense.
Team defense siya. Sino favorite mo doon?
Season.
Si Season. Bakit si Season?
Boa din. Okay naman yung nila dito.
So sabi nga ni Powa, di ba? We respect the law because the prosecutors are doing fishing expedition. You know about law? You know about law? You are from ICC? Sa ICC siya, bro. You look like a lawyer in the ICC.
The president of Yapi was sent also to ICC.
Yes, bring home our president.
No, yung president nila dito na ICC din.
Na ICC din yung president nila?
So, si Bagbo, right?
My president?
Yeah,
Bagbo?
No, my president is
Bagbo.
He was also brought in the ICC?
No, my president is there.
Nakalabas na siya.
Pero nakalabas na siya.
10 years naman.
I see.
Yung gera dito nung 2011.
Okay. 10 years siya nakulong?
Yes.
10 years siya nakulong. Oh my God.
Pero naman siya. Hindi man siya guilt.
Hindi man siya guilty.
My president is Aston Watara.
Okay. The one from the ICC. I see. Do you like ICC?
I don't have problem for something.
Oh, you like ICC Yapi?
I don't have problem.
You know what, us, we are very concerned with the ICC because the way they are doing, the way the treatment, the way they do the investigation is not proper. It's very improper because look, they just our president from the Philippines, they just took him like that. Yes, that's why Filipinos are very angry. Anyway guys, let's not talk about politics kasi alam ko na naman mag-iingay na naman yung mga iba dyan, mag-unfollow na naman yung mga team prosecutor dyan or mga team defense. Please mahalin nyo ako. Okay, wag nyo nang isama-sama ang politika. So thank you so much for joining the vlog. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Bye-bye.
Come on.
Bye ka na bro. Bye-bye.
May ano din.
Bye-bye. Bye bro.
Ngayon, no? Parang market.
Market day today. It's Tuesday.
Hello.
Oo nga, yan yung sinasabi ni ni Josie. Ito market day, tayo mga ukay.
Where is the corner we?
Second hand. Third hand.
Okay guys, paan?
Isa?